Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Beat 3 eggs with 1 tablespoon water and a pinch of salt until uniform. This adds lightness. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a 10-inch nonstick skillet over medium heat so the omelet cooks evenly. Pour the eggs and tilt the pan to form a thin layer. Stir edges with a spatula, then let set for 1 to 2 minutes per side. Slide the omelet onto a plate and fold once. Keep it warm while you make the curry base, no resting longer than 10 minutes. In the same pan, heat 2 tablespoons oil and sauté 1 small onion chopped and 1 teaspoon minced garlic until translucent and fragrant. Stir in 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, and 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder. Cook 30 seconds to bloom spices. Add 1/2 cup tomato puree and 1 cup water, then season with 1/2 teaspoon salt and simmer for 8 to 10 minutes until slightly thick. Fold the warm omelet and cut into 6 even pieces. This creates bite-sized portions for the curry. Gently slide the pieces into the simmering sauce and simmer 3 to 4 minutes to let flavors meld and eggs absorb the gravy. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon garam masala and finish with 1 tablespoon chopped cilantro for brightness. Taste and adjust salt. Serve hot with steamed rice or 2 chapatis per person, and a wedge of lemon for squeezing over the curry immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.